presenting a pre-owned 2012 Cadillac Escalade. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.